can customize icons appearing here on the toolbar. Let me show you how. So if you are using Edge, go to these three dots and then select settings. I have settings open here, and from the left panel choose appearance, then scroll down a little until you see customize toolbar, right? So I have tab actions menu, uh, then I have a long list of icons to choose from. So you'll see that I have favorites icon showing up here, and it's enabled. So if I toggle that off, it goes off, right? Toggle that back on, it comes back. Now history, do I want a quick way to access history from my toolbar? Enable that. Do I want a shortcut to downloads? Click it here, and same thing, play with the toggle, and oh, you even have a screenshot button. I think that's going to be plenty useful, especially like me, if you are into creating content. A screenshot button right there on the browser, pretty useful. So give it a try. Let me know what you find out. If you found an interesting combination that makes your day easier, your work easier, let me know by dropping a comment. Thank you.